everybody, Master Starnes here, and this is going to be the second lesson on the terminology. And the first word, so say it with me, 관장님. 관장님 means grandmaster. The second word is 사범님. 사범님, and that is master. The third word is 교보님. 교보님, that's instructor. And then we move on to uniform. Uniform is 도복. 도복. And then our belt. Belt is T. It's like two T's and a D and an I. So mix them all together. T. So that's our belt. Then the next is dojang. Dojang is for the training room, the classroom where you're practicing in the school. Not the whole school, just the training room. And it's dojang. And the next one is kuki. Kuki is the flag. So say face the flags, or bow to the flags, and say kuki, kyungnet. We are referring to the Korean and American flags. And the last one is hakyo. Hakyo is school. So the whole building, whole school. Hakyo. These are the words and the pronunciations of the words, and you can find this in your on your skill sheet, so you can practice together while you read them, and I'll post a PDF in here as well. All right, have fun, train hard, be proud to know all of these wonderful things about our Taekwondo culture. See you in class.